Brady here. Shit is about to go down. Basically, I live by a school. It's an elementary school. There's being construction done on it, and it's basically being built to be a really big school. And before the construction, it was pretty small. So that means there's a lot of cool stuff that I can explore. So basically, the plan is to explore. And I could have parked literally across the street from the school and took a minute to walk there, but I wanted to challenge myself, so I parked like 5 minutes away. So it's gonna mean that I have to try and dodge people, walk past some buildings and stuff in order to get to it, just to challenge myself. This video is gonna be fucking crazy. It's just me, nobody else. Let's do it. Holy shit. There it is, everybody. Okay, I'm right next to the woods. This is the entrance point. I'm trying to be as secluded as possible. So let's go. Down there is where it is. Holy shit, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this long ass tunnel? Okay. This part leads into the school. I'm not really trying to go in there, so I'm gonna have to find another way. Okay. I think this is the entrance. I'm not jumping over the fences. That's gonna make too much noise. Dude, everything sounds so loud. Holy shit, guys. Oh my god. It's fucking blocked. Oh, I have to find another way. I want to get to the one spot where it's like 2 stories. Oh, fuck. Okay, let's do it. I'm pretty sure I have to go to the side of the building where the houses are to get to the other place. That's what I'm trying to fucking get into. There's a fucking house right there. I swear to God that I saw somebody in that house. Alright, let's explore. Holy fuck. Okay. There is a second floor, but I'm pretty sure you have to climb a ladder that's literally out in the open where that house can see. So I don't think I'm gonna go on the second floor unless I find stairs or something. Yeah, look, there's a fucking ladder right out in the middle of the open. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. There's no fucking way I'm going on the top floor, but post down below if you want me to come back and go on top floor. I'll come back with some of my friends and we'll definitely fucking do it. But yo, this is fucking lit. Okay, I've explored it. I think I've seen enough. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here before someone sees me. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Oh shit. Dude. I feel like the second dude who drove by in that truck, I think he fucking saw me. I gotta get out of here. There's a car. I don't know who that is, but oh, dude. I don't know who the fuck that is. Oh my god, guys, that timing was fucking perfect. Guys, you better fucking subscribe for that. You better like hit the like button, do all that good shit. Holy fuck. Yo, we did it. Let's go, baby. Oh my gosh. You guys, I fucking dodged 2 cars. I had to lay on my stomach. Dude, that timing was so perfect. That one car came right when I got into my car. That was so fucking perfect, everybody. Holy shit, you guys better subscribe for that. I swear to God, that shit was awesome. I know I didn't go on the 2nd floor, but it was fucking crazy. Comment down below if you want me to come back with some of my friends, and I'll probably do that. Holy shit, you guys. Please subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. That was so fucking awesome. That was like a fucking stealth mission. Holy fuck, you guys. That was so fun. Oh my God. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it. Please subscribe. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, guys. This video is fucking lit. Please, please, everyone, subscribe for that if you're not subscribed. Holy shit. Okay. Time to go back home. I'm going to fucking take a nap. Oh my gosh. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support. And I'll talk to you guys in whatever my next video is. Holy shit. Let's go, baby.